How to keep all your playlists private. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser. If you created uh, a lot of playlists, and you decide you'll rather have all the playlists set on private, so don't worry. In this video I'll walk you through the entire process. Actually, it's very easy, so please follow along with me and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials. So now what you need to do is to go to your profile on your YouTube channel, and here please scroll a little bit down until you see settings. Now please tab on settings, and here in settings please go to, we have account notifications, but please go to privacy. And here in privacy, as you can see, we have keep all my saved playlists private, and is disabled. As you can see, the this circle has to be turned blue, or it has to be blue. So playlists created by others won't appear on your channel. Playlists created by you have separate individual privacy settings. So just to note, this is the saved playlist. So the playlist you saved from others. So if you want now to save playlists, or to make the playlist you created private, you need to go to any to every single of them, or the playlist you want to set on private, and then change the option. I'll show you how you can. And here, if you want to set a specific playlist that you created on public, or on private, or private, or unlisted, or public, okay, how you do it is very simple. Go to your playlist, and then from here you select private, or unlisted, or public. So that's how you do it. If you want to select the visibility in a playlist, it's very simple. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you for watching this video.